How to change your Forex.com password. Are you guys facing issues to change your Forex.com account password? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's dive into the video. To update your password on Forex.com, first of all, open browser on your laptop or mobile devices. Now, enter Forex.com website. Once you enter the website, log in into your account with your registered email and password. After you get logged in, now click on My Account or your profile icon. Once you click on it, go to Account Settings or Security Settings, then select Change Password. You will be asked to enter your current password followed by your new secure password and then confirm the new password. Make sure it's strong with a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. Tap Submit to save the changes. You will see a confirmation message that your password has been updated. For better security, it's a good idea to update your password every few months and avoid reusing the old ones. And if you are not sure how to do this, make sure to check out other videos in this channel for full guidance. I'll catch you in the next one. Bye bye.